Hello, my name's Morgan Phillips and I'm a director of Emunah. We wanted to do a video to demonstrate what it is that Emunah can do. These are two rooms of a client that we had quite recently. The client wanted the space reorganising and tidying and didn't want to get rid of anything, which is absolutely fine, that's something that we can cater for. The client was a bit unsure of how to tidy and how to organise a space and make it so that everything was on hand and available. All that you can see here is actually everything that was in the room originally. So this footage is of us going across the landing and into the study, and from here I repeated the process. So this is the study once it was finished. Again, I moved some of the furniture around just to give the client an opportunity to have a think about what it is that they wanted out of the room. The space has been used much more effectively, and there are more opportunities for the client to be able to keep this space in the way that they'd hoped to. The aim of Emunah is to give the client a long-term solution, to give you the tools to move forward and keep the kind of space and change your space to be what it is that you'd like.